What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video. In my last video, I reviewed something called a power pack by a company called Side by Side. What it was pretty much a portable way of taking everything you need, kind of all the miscellaneous things, shoving it in one spot and having it available to you. A power packer. Everything from your lightning cables to your headphones, wired headphones. You can't stuff like a big over-the-ear headphone thing in here. But your charging blocks, your big power banks, everything was able to fit within it. This is it. This is what I currently have in it. We've got what? Lightning cabled headphones, dongle, Apple Pencil, AirPod, and auxiliary cable. And then I'm actually using my computer right now in the other room, so the charger's not in here. Neither is the power bank because that's also charging up. Anyways, but I mentioned that that they're going to be sponsoring a giveaway. First of all, thank you very much Side by Side to hooking up the channel with an opportunity to have a giveaway. And they actually noticed that my last video, their review video, was my 150th video on the channel. Thank you to you guys for actually sticking around and watching 150 videos of me talking to a camera about things that I find interesting, and hopefully you guys do too. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback in the past little while, so thank you very much, much appreciated. And of course, if there's anything you guys are interested in or any recommendations you have for the channel to grow, I want to be updating this little set in a little bit. Plans are in the way, but I'm scared of making that commitment, and then what if I don't like it? Oh, it's just terrible. If there's anything you want to hear from me or see from me, let me know down in the comment section below. I always try to get to the comment section and respond to as many as I possibly can. So back to the giveaway. So thank you again to Side by Side for sponsoring this giveaway. What this giveaway will entail is you'll be able to win one of these bad boys. So the way you're gonna enter is you're gonna follow me, myself, and I on Instagram, as well as Side by Side on Instagram. I'm gonna, of course, have links down to the social medias down in the description below. And then leave your Instagram tag or your Instagram name down in the comment section below. We're gonna pick from that comment section. We're gonna obviously verify that you do follow both channels. And then if you do, we'll hit you up, we'll slide into your DMs, and we will arrange logistics, emails, addresses, and whatever's required, we'll handle it then. Hit that follow button on Instagram. It's just 2 profiles. You may already be following me, and Side by Side, awesome company. Show their support, and thanks again to Side by Side for sponsoring this giveaway, as well as sending me this product unit to review. I like products that I can use. But yeah, so I guess I'll finish with a typical outro here. If you like this video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. And for additional brownie points, as well as getting entered into the giveaway, follow myself and Side by Side on Instagram and all the rest of our social medias for additional brownie points. And for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one shortly. The next one's it's gonna be an awesome video.